Hey guys, so today instead of teaching you the basics of Python, I'm gonna teaching you how to use an IDE for Python. So I talked about IDEs in my first video, but what I'm gonna teach you how to do is how to set up Notepad++. Now, I already talked about Pythonista, and it's a really good option if you have a Mac or an iOS device. Like, I use it on my iPad. But the thing is that, like, one, it only works on Mac or iOS, and two, it is $10. So, like, that might not be the best situation or the best thing to use. So I'm going to teach you how to set up Notepad++, which works on Windows and Mac. And the only downside is that it's really difficult to set up. I found it really difficult to set up on my own, but I'm going to teach you guys how to set it up. So what you want to do first is, if you already haven't, download the latest version of Python, like from the official Python website. So click download and allow it to set up. I think I already have it set up, do I? So I already have it downloaded, so I'm just gonna move on to the next step. You wanna go to Notepad and download, and you want to download the latest version of Notepad. Now, which is this one? Click download, allow the installer to download, allow changes, click next, agree to the license agreement, and next. Allow localization, next, create a shortcut, install. Now what this is installing, you might want to get the location of where Python downloaded. So if you're downloading Python for the first time, before you do anything, after you install it, click customize installation, I'm pretty sure. Or just basically try to get the location of where you installed it and copy that like statement so you can use it later. So I'm just going to teach you how to look for it. So if you didn't do any changes to it, it should be in your Windows C:, go to users, your user, which is Nora for me, go to, I think it's programs, it's AppData, local, and then it should be in programs, double click programs, and then it's right here, Python. And then the latest version would be Python 3.9, and then python.exe, that's what you want. Now that is the location that you want, but you can't really copy it from here. So what I'm gonna do is just copy this, and then add the python.exe later. So don't forget that. So now it's finished installing, run Notepad++. Now here is what Notepad++ looks like when you first downloaded it. So right now it's in normal text, that's what the default is, so you can write anything. And so you want to change the language to Python, so see how it's in normal text? Change it to Python. So let's type in some basic code that we can use to test if this works. Okay, so what you're going to do first to set up Python in Notepad++ is go to plugins. This won't be here at first, but this is what you need. You want to go to plugin admin, search up NppExec, and it should be here, and then install that plugin. You might have to restart Notepad++, and after you restart it, it should be in that plugin menu. So when you have it in your plugin menu, click plugins, NppExec, and then click execute. And now what you want to do here is copy and paste your location of the Python we downloaded earlier, or what you already downloaded. So this location, click do slash and then python.exe. So it tells the computer that, oh, I want to use this program especially. Space, and then what you want to do is type this in exactly. So don't forget the space, and then it's going to be quotation, $, parentheses, file, underscore name, and then end parentheses, end quotation mark. So I'm going to post it on the screen so it's easier to read, and I'll post it in the description for it to be copied. So click save, and then you want to name the script. I'm going to name it run Python so it can be easily identified. And then click save. Click OK. And you know you did it right when it's green. If it's red, then you did something wrong. So what you want to do is go to plugins, go to NppExec, and as you can see, what you want to do is unclick console command history, and then click these three. So no internal messages, save all files, and then follow current. Okay. Now, once you did all of that, go to plugin, go to NppExec, and then go to advanced options. Now, make sure this is checked. Plug it into the macro submenu, associated script, run Python, and then click add/modify, and it should show up here. There's nothing we need to change here, so we'll just leave this as it is. Click OK. And then Notepad has to be restarted, so restart Notepad. Start it up again. And if we click the macro, we can see our command is right here. So if we were to click this, oh, we had to save this first. Okay. Sorry, let me save this real quick. So it's saved now. And so once you save your code, click run Python. And as you can see, it worked. So that's basically it. That's all you have to do to set up Python in Notepad++, so you can run code in it. But I'm going to teach you, before we go, I'm going to teach you how to make a shortcut for that. So click macro, click modify shortcut, go to plugin commands, search up what you typed, so run Python, there it is. Click it, modify it, and make a shortcut for it. My shortcut I usually do is Control, Shift, and not escape. There it is, enter. Click OK, and then click close. And instead of having to every time click run Python, you can just do Control, Shift, enter, and it should work. And yeah, so that's all you have to do to set up Python in Notepad++. And I hope this video helped, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.